Drilling a 90-degree angle is really important for all your home projects, and this hack is gonna help you do it. You thought you were finished with geometry in high school. Geometry lesson, perpendicular means that two lines are at 90 degrees to each other. And it's important so that my shaker pegs don't come out as crooked as a politician. The chances that you'll have a big luxury machine to drill perfectly perpendicular holes is pretty slim. This hack can solve that problem for you. You just need 2 pieces of scrap wood previously cut to be square all the way around. Then you're gonna clamp them together offset. Clamped together, I've created a 90-degree guide for my drill bit. I can slide our new guide right up next to the edge of the drill bit, creating a place for it to rest and drill away. Be sure to apply some pressure here so that your guide doesn't move around. As you see, I have made 2 perfectly perpendicular holes for my shaker pegs. That is how you drill 90-degree holes on the fly.